Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy aid board on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is a online shopping marketplace that delivers the product to consumer directly from China and provides 90 days return policy. So here you have to come to temu.com and here you will directly search for aid board. Okay. So here we can see the results. So here we can see our aid board. So here we have ironing aid board and other boards. Okay, so here we can just see at the first we have our 2.25 our ironing aid board. So I will be going to my choice. So here we can see we can just go to this aid board. Okay, so basically aid board is a board that save you from the drowning down in the water. Okay, so this will cost you about $5.98. Okay, so here we can see the board look like this. Okay, uh, its height and width you can see. So here we can see, so it's 44 by 29 by 3. Okay, so here we can see. So from here we can see the some reviews also. Okay, so it comes with a great review, and here we can see the description of the product. So this product is basically for the children's and for the beginners for the swimming. Okay, so to buy the product you have to just click on add to cart button. After that you have to click on buy, then follow the instruction to make the purchase. And I strongly recommend downloading and installing the TEMU app to save your money. Thank you for watching.